this video, we'll be teaching you step by step how to install our chat CSS code into your Streamlabs. So to get our CSS codes, they're all free, head over to our Ko-Fi store. The links are in the description. You can pay us any amount, which includes $0 of course, but any tips would be appreciated. Once you add that to your cart, check out, you don't need to have any payments. Scroll down or go to your email, you can view contents to download the CSS codes. Next step, log into your Streamlabs account. It could be on Twitch or YouTube. Please note that the difference will matter when you're installing this because only the chat that you sign in with the account will be reflected. Next, scroll down all the way into Streamlabs and enable this option. This allows you to put in the code that you have downloaded and copy it into the correct folders. It will be labeled HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Once you are done, remember to hit save. Next, we're going to teach you how to adjust the font size, so you can do it on Streamlabs itself, or you can do it in OBS, which we'll be showing you later. Once you find a size that you're comfortable with, remember to hit save. Next, you want to copy the URL given to you to install it in your OBS. So head over to OBS, create a new browser source, you can name it whatever you want. And in the browser source on the URL, copy and put in the code from Streamlabs. You can change the size of the chat over here. And remember to check these two boxes before saving it. And there you have it. Remember to enable this chat during your stream so that it will look like this. You can resize it in OBS while you're on stream to find your ideal positions. With that, I hope you guys enjoy and found this tutorial useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and support us in the stores as well. We'll be launching new products from time to time.